Welcome back to my YouTube channel and another vlog. Hi, how are you all doing? If you've clicked on one of my videos for the very first time, you are welcome to my channel. I hope you stick around because we have fun and we learn a thing or two. Just showing you what I eat in a day typically and what I get up to as well. So sort of a day in my life, but with the healthy twist of, what I get up to in my quest to live the healthiest version I can. So if this sounds like it will interest you, stick around. I'm about to go to the gym. I'm working from home today. I usually go either for a walk when I am working from home at midday. I try to leave my diary free during that period because outdoor walks have a complete different effect than going to the gym. But if I turn this camera, I'm actually looking at my window. The weather is very miserable, so I'd rather go to the gym because I have not been in a while. I completed a challenge, 75 days, hitting the gym almost every day. If you want to see that, I'm going to link it up the playlist. So back to normal, my body has to get used to, so it will not be very intense, but it will be more of my glutes workouts today. And I always have my workout plan before I hit the gym, and I like to repeat the same workout for like 2-3 weeks for results, and then I switch so that your body doesn't get used to and you stop getting results. I don't like my intros to be too long, but I just thought I'll say hello. And it's almost 12:30. I've not broken my fast from last night because I tend to intermittent fast and just get my body to eat much later. So it's about 12:30. I'm late starting this video because I was meant to leave at 12. But I'm free till 1:30, so I'll go spend an hour. I've got the strength to go because I'm always on my waters, but I might do something really fast. Otherwise, I'll eat when I get back. But yeah, so anyway, come along. I'm going downstairs to get myself maybe a smoothie, a healthy smoothie, something with protein to give me the energy. I'm a bit late doing it, but I'd rather eat something before going to the gym. So I'll see you guys in the video. How are you all doing? I hope okay, and expect some variety content from me. I've been a bit quiet, a lot has been going on, and I'll share. All right, come on, come on, come on. My vitamins and a banana, which I'll eat really fast while driving. Please don't eat and drive. Oh, I forgot my face cap. See you guys real soon. So I tend to do my healthy shopping for my meal prep for the week, different from the house, just so that I can buy all I need from my list, which I follow very strictly. I mostly do this after my workouts, and I got home really famished and I decided to cook myself. I don't know if this is brunch, but I tend to go with what I fancy, but the theme is usually low calories and high protein because I'm trying to reduce fat, build muscle, and I'll say like body recomp, and that's what I'll share today. I've just taken a shower and I'm about to have my first and only meal after my workout session. So I like to make my meal not only healthy but delicious. Because when you have just one meal or within an eating window, you want to maximize your nutrients. And this is very protein rich. I've got some tomatoes, avocado, healthy fats. I've got protein from the bacon and the eggs. And I'll see you guys maybe when I have my snack later. It's 2 o'clock now. I want to share something about the yogurt that I take now. In the past, I usually had low-fat dairy products, especially with my Greek yogurt. But scientific research and evidence has actually shown that the benefits that you get from fat-free dairy products are actually not that good because they add a lot more sugar than the full fat versions, which negates the whole point of reducing your calorie as well as obviously your risk of heart diseases. So what I'll say to you guys is if you're looking to have dairy, read the label but go for fat full options. Anyway, I had mine with some berries. Berries are always good antioxidants, and I've used some homemade granola like I can show you, and it was delicious. This was my last meal. Thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this, subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye.